Gershon from Technical Option Traders. Hope you guys are having a great day. So today we're going to talk about the markets and what's been going on here. I really want to emphasize something. Don't let market randomness fool you. Just really look at your levels and have an idea about what's going on, all right? So primary things you guys should know is that in the uptrend, there are going to be periods of consolidation. If we just have a look at AMD right now, AMD consolidated here for a couple of months before it decided it was going to break out. So this was a long-term consolidation. Then you see a nice break, retest, and a big and the bigger move followed here, right? And now we went into a higher zone where price acceptance wasn't done, and AMD came back into its previous demand zone. Price is consolidating here, still above this 122 level, which is important. Now AMD on the bigger time frame is consolidating in this area. So if we just zoom in on AMD, I have a supply level here. So this is where on the intraday, so over the last few days, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, AMD has been consolidating in this range. And what's important about this is to kind of understand that the low points and the high points of the range, right? So AMD has come down here and bounced, is gone here and rejected. This is the rejection right here yesterday, and today it's going through this. So if AMD can get above 128, my next target level is right about here, which is 131. So if it can get above this, we can get flying again on AMD up to a higher level. But until it does, there is no reason for you to speculate. So if you're watching this, or if you're a day trader, you're an intraday trader, you want to have a look at this chart, see what's going on here. Long periods of consolidation, multiple fails here. You just simply set an alert. If you're using TradingView, just set alerts to let you know. And what you want to see is volume. If you see here volume, there's very high volume here and here. Today there's very low volume. We're getting this uptick with low liquidity in the market, which is very interesting. So what we want to see a follow through. Maybe later on today the volume does come back in the market and it pushes through here, right? So do not get faked out. Like if you try to trade this yesterday, you would have had a loss, right? Like right now it's in the zone again. I want to be trading this stock when it gets above 128. The reason being is it's going to beat the supply zone. There's going to be momentum behind it, and it's going to follow through. Let's have a look at SPY. Right, so it's important to do a multi-time frame analysis. I always start from the daily. I have a little head and shoulder going on here on the SPY. We'll see if it gets invalidated, if it gets back above 457. And then if we look at the 1 hour time frame on the S&P 500 or SPY, it's a simple analysis right here. It's that the trend line is still down, right? However, it is consolidating in a range right now, right? So we have two periods that we need to be observing. So there's 443, right? And this previous high about 452. And these levels are important because if it can get above this level, we can see S&P 500 go into the supply zone and get above it. And the supply zone was an important area if we just zoom out to the daily over here as well, right? So it needs to get above this because previously it went to this level right here, about the 454 level, and it failed aggressively. It's gone through this 454 level again and come back and tested the previous demand zone, which is right about here. So now the 454 level remains on watch to see if we can get the S&P 500 above. Intraday, on the smaller time frames, there's going to be movements. If we look at it, this is just straight choppiness, right? Unable to go up and unable to go down, right? So that's why you have your support and demand zones, and just really understand what areas you want to trade. Where are your most profitable trading opportunities? If you're trading in a supply zone or a demand zone, the market is likely going to consolidate and you're going to get whipsawed in either direction, and you're not going to be able to take the most profitable trades. Be patient with your trades. Do not force a trade. Let the market come to you. Let the setup come to you. All right. And that's how you should be trading. All right, guys, if you guys like my content, please click on like and subscribe.